iba a estar la cosa fastidiada, pero no, se ha aclarado. Pues a ver, que salgan los de Talavera.
End-fed half wave, which is about 3 meters above the ground. Back to you, Echo Alpha 9, Alpha Delta Delta, Mike 5, Alpha Mike Lima.
Thank you very much. I'm in the same conditions, radio conditions. I'm with 6 watts and an end-fed half wave antenna. QSL?
QRP, very nice indeed, and the end-fed half wave is the great antenna, very convenient, very nice to set up and use. So yes, congratulations on that. That's brilliant. Can I have your name for my log, please? Over.
Okay, my name is John. My name is Juan. John. Juliet Uniform Alpha November. QSL?
Yes, okay, Juan. My name is John Juliet Oscar Hotel November. So that's very good. I have your SOTA reference, so I've got everything I need. Thank you very much. I will link you on the SOTA database for a point or two. So thank you very much, and have fun with the SOTA and have fun with the QRP. 7-3, and hope to see you again, Juan. Echo Alpha 9, Alpha Delta Delta, Mike 5, Alpha Mike Lima, 7-3.
Okay, thank you. So this is QRP to QRP and John to John. So